The belt mounting extension kit adds length to Bodypoint hip belts and the Evoflex pelvic stabilizer. This kit provides the flexibility needed to achieve the optimal mounting position. To accommodate thicker seating systems, such as high-profile or custom-molded cushions, the belt mounting extension kit can provide additional length needed for the hip belt to properly close. The belt mounting extension kit is versatile. Aligned, the extension straps can be used to fit in tight spaces. Spread apart, they can span obstructions or even bend to attach directly to solid seats. The extension straps can also be cut to the desired length. The belt mounting extension kit can be attached to the wheelchair using any Bodypoint belt mounting hardware.